What if a city was divided overnight, tearing apart families and friends? This was the reality for Berlin during the Cold War, as the city found itself split in two by a wall that symbolized the ideological divide between East and West. After World War II, Berlin was divided among the Allies into East and West, but tensions soon escalated. By 1949, the German Democratic Republic, East Germany, was established, leading to a mass exodus of East Germans to the West. On August 13, 1961, the Berlin Wall was erected, marking the beginning of a physical and ideological barrier. This event was orchestrated by Soviet-backed East German leaders, aiming to stop the brain drain to the West. Key figures like John F. Kennedy and Nikita Khrushchev played pivotal roles in this era. Kennedy famously declared, "Ich bin ein Berliner," symbolizing solidarity with West Berliners, while Khrushchev sought to maintain Soviet influence. The wall stood for 28 years, a powerful symbol of division. Its fall in 1989 marked the end of the Cold War and led to the reunification of Germany, reshaping Europe's political landscape. Today, the legacy of the Berlin Wall serves as a reminder of the dangers of division. It teaches us about resilience, the fight for freedom, and the importance of unity in a world still facing similar divides.